guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm participating in another challenge, but I'm going to give you the details later. Now I just want you to see the original piece I'm going to work with, and I'm going to transform it, and you will see later what I'm doing with this. But I wanted you just to see how it looks. I bought it at Goodwill. I paid $1 for it. You can see here one. This is a code, and these are stickers. These letters, so you can see. Well, you see, these are stickers. So I'm going to remove them, each one of them, except for one, and I'm going to do something different with this. So I'll see you in a while. Okay, I am back, and as you can see, I painted the frame in white, and I've removed all the stickers except for the camera. But before getting into this DIY, I want to tell you that this is a video for the Flippin Friday challenge hosted by Board or Bananas every month. It's a challenge that I really love, and I will leave the link to her channel in the description box, as well as a link to the playlist with all the videos that are participating in this challenge. Please, please, please watch all the videos and visit Board or Bananas Jaime channel, because honestly she does absolutely everything. You will surely find something that you like there. Okay, I left the camera because this is a saying. The saying is longer, but I extracted the most important part. This is a saying that I really like, and I thought this was the perfect frame for it. So I printed on vellum paper. As I told you, I really advise you to print things that you're going to transfer in vellum paper, because as I said many times, you see, if I'm transferring and I move the paper, I can reposition it where it was, because I can see what's under the paper, not behind, like here. So this is really a plus. In this case, as I'm transferring on a black background, I use this transfer paper that is white, but it also still allows me to see where I'm placing my lettering or sentiment. And it's great because you get everything printed in white. This makes it really easy to write the words or the saying with the marker, as I do after transferring it. I've already painted all the other words, because otherwise this would be really long. But I left this one for you to see a little bit how I do this. You see, it's really easy to remove the pieces of paper, and I use my favorite markers. Those are Bistro chalk markers. This is broad point, this is fine point, depending on the text. So I think I'm going to use this one. so well. This is almost finished. I'm going to fix a little bit some parts that are not completely in white later, but I want you to see how easy it is and how quickly you can get a beautiful sign. And the saying is, life is like a camera. Focus on what's important, and if things don't work out, take another shot. I love this saying, and I really like how this sign ended up, and I hope you like it too. Please visit the hostess channel and the playlist, and thank you so much to Jaime from Border Bananas for hosting this challenge every month, and thanks a lot to all of you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And remember that if you do all that, all your dreams will come true. I promise. Okay, I will let you go. I hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.